Hey guys, another quick video. Not much I see on the internet involving these older style hot water tanks. This is a 2009 model KENMORE Power Miser 9 model 153. Getting a shower yesterday. Wife went to get one and water was cold, no hot water. Pilot would light, but then as soon as you would turn this to low, it would go out. Like there wasn't enough juice to keep the flame going. It wasn't too dirty in there, so that limited me to, I'm thinking it was my thermocouple, which would be this. This is for a gas stove, or a gas hot water tank, sorry. This thermocouple right here, it goes in, and then it looks like a bullet on the end almost, and it connects right next to the igniter and the burner, which would be this line. It's like a grill, an outside grill, if you could picture that. Put that on, and I lit it manually through this window. Turn this to pilot, turn that to pilot lighting, push down about 10 seconds, light it in there, and do not let go of this right away. Leave it held down for another 30 seconds to a minute, and you should be good to go. This is for if your pilot does light but goes out when you turn it to the low setting, etc. And you replace this thermocouple and you'll be good to go. Save yourself $600 plus installation fees. Stay tuned for the next video, guys. Have a great day.